Hello and welcome to the Byte Blaze Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to create MySQL user and set all the necessary permission. So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to log into your server. Here I am logged into my server, and then you have to start MySQL. You have to get into MySQL. So I am getting into MySQL with my default root user, which do not have any password. So I'm just logging into my MySQL. Then what I have to do is I have to write create and then user, and in single quotation name of the user. So I'm going to write db root and then single quotation and at the rate. Either you can choose percent if you want to allow this user to log in from outside space as well. So here I am choosing localhost, means this user will only be able to access this from within this server. So whatever application hosted within this server through this user id, user will be able to access. So at the rate localhost and then identified with, you have to type mysql underscore native underscore password, then you have to type by, and then in single quotation type password. So I am just randomly typing password. It make sure you keep a strong password this, and I will end this with semicolon and enter. So query, okay, this user is created db root with this password. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grant all privileges to this user, means all the this user will be able to access all the database within this mysql space. So for that, what I will do is I will write grant all privileges on star dot star. The first star is all the database, dot star is all the tables of those database. Two, here would be my username, which is db root, and then it is local host, and I will end with semicolon. This is done, and finally I will flush the privileges. So this is the three step in order to create new user. So you have to flush the privileges. There was some error in the statement. So I'm just going to write this again. Privileges, and this is done. So what you have to do is you have to create username at localhost, identify with mysql native password by, and after that this would be your password, and then grant all privileges on all the database and all its table to this user, and then finally flush privileges. Thank you.